Hello. Today, I will show you how to install Windows 10 using USB bootable device. First, plug in your USB at your computer. After you plugged in, press the power button on your computer and quickly press the BIOS key on your keyboard. That could be F2, F10, F12, DEL, ESC, F9. Note that some motherboards have different BIOS keys. The BIOS will look like this. Once you've got into the BIOS, find the boot menu. Find the boot option and select your bootable USB. After you selected, you must put it on the first boot priority. After that, exit and click Exit, Save and Changes. Now your computer will boot at USB. For this video, I will use a virtual machine. Here you need to select the language. Leave it on default if don't need to change. Here you need to enter the product key of the Windows. You can skip this by pressing the I don't have a product key. Now you need to select the edition of Windows that you want to install. Click the I accept the license terms. Here you want to select the custom installation. Now you need to select the drive that where you want to install Windows. Click Restart now. This installation may take minutes, so I skipped the video. Here you need to select the keyboard layout. Now you have two options here. Select the personal use. Here you need to sign in your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can disregard this by pressing the offline account option. Now you need to enter your name here. You need to create a password. If you don't want to, you can just skip it. Click Accept. Click Skip. Click Not Now. Now wait for it to fully install the Windows 10, this may take minutes. Now, you've successfully installed Windows 10. You can now unplug the USB. Thanks for watching.